Hello students, welcome in geography class. In the previous lecture we have started geography lesson number 2, the physical features of India. In that we have covered the first portion, introduction part, that is the how earth formed, about the tectonic plates, about the in the tectonic plates the how the landform it is created, and we have covered the two topic, that how the Himalayan mountain formed and how the northern plain formed. So these all portion we have covered in the first video. Today our topic is the major physical features of India, means the all physical divisions which is available in our country, about them the detailed explanation. So we will first start with the first physical features of India, that is the Himalayan mountain. It is geologically young and structurally fold mountains which stretches over northern borders of the country, means northern part Jammu and Kashmir, from there it stretches till the Arunachal Pradesh. These mountains ranges run in west-east direction from the Indus river to the Brahmaputra river, means in the western part of India, northwestern part Indus river till the eastern part Brahmaputra river, which is also called as loftiest mountain. The distance it covers from west to east, total distance the mountain it covers, that is about 2400 kilometer, and the width it varies 150 and 400 kilometer. Such as in Jammu and Kashmir it covers 400 kilometer distance, that is width, and in Arunachal Pradesh it may be 150 kilometer. This Himalaya mountain, it has 3 parallel range from north to south, means height wise 3 divisions of Himalayas are there. First one it is called Himadri, second one is called Himachal, and third one is known as Shivaliks. So first we will discuss about the Himadri. It is also called as the Greater Himalaya or Inner Himalaya. Himadri, it is also known as Greater Himalaya or the Inner Himalaya. It consists of the loftiest peaks with an average height of above 6,000 meters. Means the mountains which are above the 6,000 meters, these are called as Himadri. And these are most important prominent peaks, such as the Mount Everest, such as Kanchenjunga, such as Nanda Devi. These all mountains are coming under this Himadri. The second range of the Himalaya, which is called as Himachal, which is lesser than Himadri. That's why it is also called as Lesser Himalaya. They are mainly composed of compressed and altar rocks, different type of rocks, and the height it varies from 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters, means different part of the area, different ranges mountains are there, but it varies till 4,500 meter, and the width it is near about 50 kilometer, means here again it is lower than Himadri. The important mountain ranges in this area: Pir Panjal, Dhaulidhar, Mahabharat range. These are some important mountain peaks in that Shivalik region. And the third mountain range, it is known as Shivaliks, which cover the width of 10 to 50 kilometer. That means it is in between 50 kilometer, and the height it is about 900 to 1100 meter. So these Shivalik ranges are lowest range of the Himalaya. So these three are the 3 important ranges of Himalaya. Shivalik, it consists of the thick gravels, alluvium, and the mostly part is covered with the forest. In between Shivalik and Lesser Himalaya, that means Himachal, there are some longitudinal valleys, Himalayan valleys are there. So that valleys it is called as dunes, such as the place Dehradun, Kotli Dun, Patli Dun. These are some important dunes. So 3 Himalayan ranges from north to south, or also it is called as longitudinal extension of the Himalaya, 3 range. Beside that, another 4 divisions of Himalaya it is there, which is from the west to east. Okay, first part was north to south, 3 ranges are there, and second part division of the Himalaya, 4 divisions are there, that is from the west direction to east direction, and these directions are divided in between the rivers. First division of Himalaya from the west, it is in between the river Indus and Satluj. So the Indus river and Satluj river, in between the part of the Himalaya, it is called as Punjab Himalaya. Right? Second part, which is called as the Kumaon Himalaya. It is in between Satluj and Kali river. That Himachal Pradesh and then Uttarakhand, in that portion, the ranges in between Satluj and Kali, that is called as Kumaon Himalaya. Third part of the, or third division of the Himalaya, which is called as Nepal Himalaya, which is in between the Kali and Tista river. What is the name? Kumaon Himalaya, and the Nepal Himalaya. And the fourth part, it is called as Assam Himalaya, in between the Tista river and Dihang river in Brahmaputra. So 4 divisions Himalaya it is there from the west to east direction. Number 1, Punjab Himalaya, in between Indus and Satluj. Second, it is Kumaon Himalaya, in between Satluj and Kali river. Third, it is Nepal Himalaya, in between Kali and Tista river. And fourth, it is called as Assam Himalaya, in between Tista and Dihang rivers. The 4 divisions of mountains from west to east direction. The Brahmaputra river, it marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalaya. Brahmaputra river, when the Himalaya it is, stretches from the northern part till eastern part, Brahmaputra rivers, it is the ending point. From there towards the south, means in the state of Nagaland, Mizoram, that area, Himalaya it is sharply bent, where the gravels are there. In that area, from the southern part, it spread along the eastern parts of the states, northeastern states, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, these all states. This area, it is also called by different name. It is called as Purvanchal or Purvachal, or the eastern hills. These hills running through the northeastern states and mainly composed of strong sandstones, which are sedimentary rocks. Mainly these are deposited. It covers this area, it covers with dense forest, and mostly they runs at parallel ranges and valleys. This Purvachal area, it comprises different hills. Some of the hills, well-known hills, it is Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, and the Manipur Hills. Some important hills in the Purvanchal area. So these all information, it is about the Himalayan mountain. We read the 2 divisions of Himalaya. One division, it is north to east, which is called the longitudinal division. There are 3 divisions are there: Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. And another 4 divisions are there from the west to east. First one, Punjab Himalaya. Second one, Kumaon Himalaya. Third one, Nepal Himalaya. And fourth one is Assam Himalaya. Beside this, the northeastern part of the area where the Himalaya ended, in that area it sharply bent towards the southern part, means the states of Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, these all states. This portion is called as Purvanchal. Okay, so these all information about the first physiographic divisions of India, the Himalaya mountain. Our next topic is about the northern plains, which will be discussed in the next video. You read that portion, mountain range, and you clear your doubts. We will meet again in next lecture. Till then, bye bye.